Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be discussing how to optimize your images, something that you've probably heard us mention often. When your images load faster, your users are happier. To do this, you want the size of your images to be as small as possible, with good caching and delivery architecture. So let's get started with some tips to make your images load faster. Tip number 1. Scale images to display size. In your website or application, you usually need to display images in specific, predefined dimensions. So let's say you have a 500 by 500 container. You can take this image, which is roughly 5,000 on 3,000 pixels, and scale it to fit the container. You can also automate resizing by taking advantage of Cloudinary's support for responsive design. Tip number 2. The higher the quality is, the heavier the resulting image is, and vice versa. The best practice is to use Cloudinary's automatic quality setting, or QAuto in URLs, which balances between file size reduction and visual quality using a smart algorithm. For example, this lion image weighs roughly 700 kilobytes. Using Cloudinary's quality algorithm, we can reduce it by almost 200 kilobytes. It's worth mentioning that the default quality used by Cloudinary when a quality setting is not provided can be configured in the Cloudinary UI under Settings, Upload. Tip number 3 is to auto-select file format based on client detection. Cloudinary has the ability to automatically detect which browser is requesting the image and then select the most efficient image format to deliver. Just add the fetch format parameter and set its value to auto, fauto in URLs. If we take our lion image and add fauto to it, it now weighs 562 kilobytes. And since we're using a Chrome browser, it's transformed into a WebP. Our tip number 4 is to convert PNGs to JPEGs. The main reason is that PNG files can be much larger as they support an extra alpha channel. Luckily, Cloudinary can auto-detect if a PNG image has transparency and convert it to JPEG in case it doesn't. For example, this is a 200 kilobyte PNG image that is not using its alpha channel at all. By using the lossy flag, we can change the image to a JPEG and reduce its size to 51 kilobytes. That's roughly 25% of the original image. And of course, all of these parameters can be used together as well. You can also get more optimizations and insights based on your usage patterns by going to the reports page in your Cloudinary web console. That's all guys, catch you next time!